Great place for staycation, great place for staycation, very quiet and nice. There is a big mirror in the room as well. Recommended for couples. Good tempatnya bagus, strategis, ada dapur YG kukupi lumayan BS buat masak. Nyaman. Very good, it's perfect for family. Very good, it's perfect for family. Good, great experience. Exceptional, excellent. We will come back. I really recommend this place for families or couples who want to be in the south of Jakarta but in a calm area. Cilandak Town Square Mall is nearby and convenient, and the area is calm and lush. It's close to a highway to head to the airport or to West Java in the opposite direction. Very nice rooms, modern and clean, and also the breakfast with catering. Staff was helpful and kind, especially Noni, who greeted us every day, and hey you. We are coming back. Good, everything good except parking space limited. Good, everything good except parking space limited. Service okay. Exceptional spacious room, near highway. You can find food center at Sitos. Exceptional spacious room, near highway. You can find food center at Sitos. Food reviews. The food taste amazing. I'll come back even for just a breakfast. Great stay with lovely accommodations. My husband and I were thrilled with the spaciousness and ambience of our room, as well as the grounds of the hotel. The common areas were cheerily decorated with Christmas lights and festive decor. Great choice for visitors to the Simatupang area. 10 tenths will go back again and stay longer next time. Excellent. I've stayed in this hotel for second time and still gave us feels comfortable and relaxed. The staffs are friendly. The room is clean and well maintained. The location is really good. Definitely will back again to stay here again. Recommended hotel in Cilandak. This hotel is so calm, my second home in Jakarta. Very convenient to go anywhere in Jakarta Selatan and very close to Cilandak Town Square. The Bluebird taxi is always standby outside the hotel. The only cons is that no supermarket or convenience store nearby hotel. So make sure you stop by supermarket to buy your necessities before going to the hotel. Overall, I will stay at this hotel again in the near future. Exceptional. Don't hesitate to choose Ra Premiere for vacation. Exceptional, good. Exceptional, good. Third time staycation in here. This hotel is very cozy. There is a small kitchen if you want a staycation and cooking light dinner or lunch. Hotel staff is also very friendly. Great place for staycation, great place for staycation, very quiet and nice. There is a big mirror in the room as well. Recommended for couples. Good tempatnya bagus, strategis, ada dapur YG kukupi lumayan BS buat masak. Nyaman. Very good, it's perfect for family. Very good, it's perfect for family. Good, great experience. Exceptional, excellent. Exceptional, excellent. Good, everything good except parking space limited. Good place for business trip. The room is clean. The vibes is so calming. There is working desk that helpful for working staff is friendly.